New for 2024 from KeyDigital, the complete control and completely cost-effective AV over IP solution is adding CEC display control. That's right. With KeyDigital, you get a complete AV over IP system, complete with video wall processing, source control over IR, display control over IR and RS-232, and now you can control your displays, power on or power off, or even controlling all of your displays, power on or off, with CEC, with zero wiring whatsoever, controlling over the HDMI cable. For more information, go to www.keydigital.com. New for 2024 from KeyDigital, the complete